Hey guys, hello and welcome back to Automation School. In today's video, we're going to be introducing you to the world of YouTube automation and showing you how to use it to make big bucks in 2023. YouTube automation. Unknown to most but extremely lucrative to those who have tapped into it. In the fast-paced world of YouTube, time is money, and being able to automate the content creation process has not only been proven to increase efficiency, but also profits. Unlike what your parents told you, laziness does pay. If you're here, you've likely found out the hard way just how time-consuming and tedious creating YouTube videos can be. With all the research, recording, and editing that you have to do, you may have wondered how so many channels are able to churn out daily videos with ease. Well, the answer to that question is this. YouTube automation, aka doing the bare minimum for a living. Sounds like a dream, right? The concept of YouTube automation is simple. Have other people do the work for you. Utilizing online tools, AI, and outsourced talent, you can easily make millions with little to no effort on your end. With our help, you can do it too. And here's how. First and foremost, you need to find an up-and-coming niche for your channel. A quick Google search can tell you which topics are currently trending, and you can pick from the list which one you'd like to make your core focus. Being quick to hop on trends is essential if you're trying to make multiple channels, as the hype dies just as quickly as it builds. Leveraging a hot topic can boost your views and bank account if you can consistently post content. Always make sure that you are picking a niche with plenty of subtopics to cover, so that you'll never run out of ideas for your videos. We have a few videos on top niches, specifically within the high RPM category, so be sure to check them out. One thing to remember is that not all niches will be as widely accepted as others. Although certain topics are guaranteed to get you the clicks, advertisers and sponsors may be less inclined to work with you if the channel isn't in line with their brand or the image they're looking to portray. So if you're looking to land those brand deals, you might want to lay off the dancing compilations. Sorry to burst your bubble, folks. Your next step is determining what subtopic you'd like to make your video about. If you search up your niche on YouTube, you're sure to find tons of videos similar to the ones on your channel. Select a well-received video and search for the keywords in the title on Google Trends, as well as keyword analytics tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy. This will allow you to see the interest over time in that specific subtopics, so that you can see whether or not it's worthwhile to make that content. This may be the only tricky part in this entire process, as you do need to check in on these keywords constantly. Keep in mind that trends change by the minute, so you really need to be on top of picking your topics. Be sure to target words with high search volume and low competition, as those are going to help your channel get the most attention the quickest. If you want more information on keyword research, we have an excellent tutorial, so make sure to check it out. Once you've decided on the video topic, it's time to find a few reference videos to base yours on and produce your script. We usually recommend hiring out a freelancer for script writing, but if you are pressed on cash, here's how you can easily automate your scripts as well. Type the subtopic into the YouTube search bar and find a couple of videos that relate to it. Once you click into the video, click the three dots next to the Save button underneath the video player. Choose Transcript, which will pull up a transcript of all the audio within the video. This allows you to easily be able to skim through the video's contents without watching it, and also allows you to copy the transcript with ease. Read through the transcript and pick out certain parts containing information you'd like to include in your video. After you've mapped that out, open up Quillbot. If you don't know what Quillbot is, it's an AI software that paraphrases and rewords written content in the blink of an eye. Here, you can paste the part of the transcript you copied and have the AI generate a completely new body of text that you can use as a script for your video. Aside from being almost instantaneous, another one of Quillbot's key advantages is that all text generated is entirely copyright-free, with all changes identified through highlights and color-coded text, so that you know exactly what is brand new and what isn't, which helps tremendously in case you wanted to check it over manually. Once you've finalized your script, it's time to start booking your next vacation. Move on to the next step. No video is complete without a voiceover, and unfortunately, no, I am not for hire. However, on the internet, you can easily find vocal talent within your budget. A great place to start is Fiverr, an online marketplace with a wide variety of freelancers offering their services, which includes, as you've probably guessed, voiceover work. Whether you're looking for a soothing female voice, an American male, or even a cheeky Brit like me, Voiceover has plenty of options and filters to fine-tune your search and find the right voice for your video. Your entire order, from initial browsing to seller-buyer communication to delivery, is all contained on the website, minimizing the work you have to do, which is the entire point, right? Now that you've got the audio covered, you need to tackle the visual portion. Similarly, you can find video and thumbnail editors on Voiceover. When on the search, be sure to look through each seller's portfolio and previous work to ensure that the quality of the video will be up to your standards. Each editor has their own distinctive style, and some sellers are upfront and clear about which video categories they specialize in. Look for an editor within your budget that checks all the boxes you have in terms of visuals, and provide consistent feedback throughout the order so that your video is upload ready immediately upon completion. The video is done and you're just about ready to upload. However, you've got to make sure that your video is appealing to the algorithm so that you can maximize your reach and views. Luckily for you, AI tools such as ChatGPT are here to help. ChatGPT is a language model that generates human-like responses to any and all questions and prompts, making it perfect for writing descriptions, captions, and bios. All you have to do is type in your video topic and ask it to make you an SEO-optimized description with keywords for your video, and watch the bot do its magic. Once it's done, you'll have a flawless description that you can copy and paste into your description box. Now that you've unlocked the secret to success on YouTube, what will your first channel be about? Or matter of fact, what's your first travel destination after that channel blows up? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and as always, be sure to subscribe if you're interested in learning more about how YouTube automation can change your life. Until next time, see you later, automators.